Welcome to Vondessa J. So this is a video you all have been waiting on, and it is where I transform and build all by myself. Not one person helped me. I did this all by myself. How I change a blank space and add on a deck with a barbecue area and a kitchenette area. So first, guys, what we're gonna do, we can roll it back from the beginning. Rocks. Then I'm gonna end up with a puddle. Then I thought about the pavers with the grass, and with that grass coming down, what I feel like I'm gonna be out here weed eating dang near every day. The third thing is, guys, I was thinking about is getting pallets and make a platform.
So at this point, I asked for you all help in the video before, and I asked you to help me pick. So many of you said the pallets. So guys, what I did, I started measuring, getting my measurements, getting together, because we was gonna do the pallet deck. So this was the week before I left to go to Rhode Island.
So see, guys, I was starting from scratch, and I specifically asked all of my YouTubers, my subscribers, my VeeHivers, which one you wanted, me with the rocks and the pavers, or you wanted me with just the pavers, fully rocks, or with pallets. And all the votes went to, we want to see you do it with the pallets. So guys, I went above and beyond. I'm standing here, guys, and I absolutely love it because of us steady having storms right now, guys. You probably can hear from the back. It is thundering, so it's getting to rain again, okay? So I don't have the video of me styling it. If I have enough a chance, 4 o'clock is supposed to rain. It's coming up to that time. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna turn the camera. We're gonna film what it looks like now. And guys, to say I did not know what I was doing, and for me to do this all by myself in 1 month at $170, I am so, so proud of myself. So guys, come on, let me show you. I could blame it on your lips, your touch, your kiss, you know, real traditional. But your love's too original. You were anything but conventional. Baby, did you know that from the moment we fell in and knew we couldn't fall back, knew I'd always crawl back. Cause baby, it's the everything for me physical. I could blame it on your lips, your touch, your kiss, you know, real traditional. But your love's too original. You were anything but conventional. Baby, did you know that from the moment we fell in and knew we couldn't fall back, knew I'd always crawl back. Cause baby, it's the everything for me. I could blame it on your lips, your touch, your kiss, you know, real traditional. But your love's too original. You were anything but conventional. Baby, did you know that from the moment we fell in and knew we couldn't fall back, knew I'd always crawl back. This is my outcome. I absolutely love my space. No, the boards are not all straight. No, some of the screws might be turned sideways, but at the beginning and the end of the day, guys, this is something that I set myself up to say, okay, let me see if I can challenge myself to do this. And it's standing, and a lot of people has been walking on it. So I think I did a darn good job. So let me bring y'all in further and let me talk to y'all. I'm also going to give y'all some night views because your girl installed some lights on her cooking area. So let me bring you in a little closer. So guys, right here, I have this slope. So I installed a solar, this is the solar panel, a solar light. So this light lights up at night in here, and at night is absolutely so pretty. So I did this little top as you will because I didn't like it straight. So I just add a little piece on top. All of these are with fence planks, all of it, even my floors are with planks. And guys, it's holding up to the weather. Unfortunately, I have not sealed this because of the weather. You can't do it. You have to do it on a good sunny day so it can dry. It takes about 24 hours. Well, my can says 2 hours. I was going to chance that because right when I put it down, boom, boom, boom. We didn't want that. So let me show you a little bit closer. So guys, this is my kitchenette, I will call it. So don't mind this plastic. I put this on here just to protect until I can get this stain. And so the boards won't walk, but they are very thick boards and I made sure it was thick. So on here, I have enough of space that I can cut up things, move things from the grill to put up here. I have enough of space. Also, I have this little extension that I have over here. So I have just my cutting board, a knife, and me some onion flakes because this is something that I love, love, love to use, even when I'm cooking on the inside. So down below, guys, this is my refrigerator. I have not plugged it up. I took everything out, cleaned it all down. So that is the refrigerator. So I don't have to go back and forth in the house with things when I am cooking on the grill. So the refrigerator is here. So right here, guys, this is just a little stand. I can take this out if I want to. We having something big, which we will never have. So right now, I'm just storing things on this, plates and all of that stuff. So this is just my little piece that I have on there. I think eventually I will add shelves in here and remove this. So as I was telling you guys, I made this little lip up under here, and I do have grass up here, and it has the lights that goes around the whole entire side. So right here, guys, I add some lemons. This is just my platter, and it's a part of the color decor that I'm going to be putting out here. And then here, I went in my kitchen, found some things that I was no longer using, so I put that. But of course, I'm going to have my mosquito repellent out here. So that is up there also. So this is what this is, guys. And I think I did a darn good job. So here, guys, this is my IKEA table. And I got these. This table was free, guys. This was a freebie. And I purchased the chairs from off of Facebook Marketplace. So I have 6 chairs to go along with the table. And down below, guys, this is a blue rug. And I did purchase this blue rug from Walmart. So it has my blues, my greens, and my whites. So it's tying in with the colors except the yellow. But in there, it is little hues of yellow inside. So guys, one of the biggest issues that I was personally having was, what am I going to do with the gas meter that's behind me? And I was laying in bed that morning. I was like, you know what? The video is going to be coming up. I need to get out here and build something that's where I can hide a water meter. But I came out here and I did some work. I went back in to go take my break, fuel up on water. And I just happened to go on Facebook Marketplace. I live in a huge subdivision, and someone had a lemonade stand for free. I messaged them. They said, I just left home. It was still there. So I was like, skirt. I hurried up and got there. And guys, let me show you what I did with it. So here it is. This is the table. It was a lemonade stand. So what I did, I cut off the lemonade part. I cut the bottom. The meter is hidden behind here. So anything going with the meter, I could just slide it straight out. It was in white already, so I just left it as is. So I put grass up here and put some decor pieces up here. And guys, it's darn good. So guys, let's talk about something that was complete other eyesore, and it was the air conditioning unit. So I just made this. I had this piece of lattice. So I just put three 4-foot boards, and then just put it that and put some mint up there. So that's giving me where I'm hiding that. Also, with that being white, this being white, it pulls together. So guys, you remember I told y'all in one video that I had a whole bunch of mint and I needed to get rid of it. Well, that is just a little bit of the mint that I still had, but the whole entire bed of mint is totally gone. I think I'm going to completely just rock out this space. So I'm going to show you with the air conditioning leaks water, you know, it's summertime. So I just got one bag of rocks because I wanted to put it down there because it was mud. So let me just go ahead and show you guys what that looked like now. Of course, I have some more work that I need to do in this area. I did put some rocks here. You can tell that the water from the air conditioner is already taken over those rocks. So I like where I have that, and there it is, hiding it. So I will be working in this area to just rock it out or something to make it easy just to go if we need repairs with the air condition. So for right now, guys, this is how it's going to be. So guys, don't think that I'm crazy. I do have one umbrella here. I do have another umbrella for the table. It is green. If you remember on the haul that I did have it on the haul. So guys, look at that right here. This is what my little kitchen and grill area looks like, table area. And guys, let me tell you something. Where we live at, it's a huge hill and it's a sidewalk. And I have been getting so many compliments on what I have been doing. It makes me feel very good that my neighbors felt that I have done a super good job. So I can pat myself on the back for not knowing what I was going to be doing and how to do this. I can say I did a very good job. It's one thing, guys, with this being close to the house, but I did not attach it to the house. One thing that I did do, I built, instead of building the deck flat, I did do it on like a little slope. That's where when rain do come down, it'll drain straight down. And I do have places on the deck that it can drain down in there. So, guys, this is my $170 patio deck, kitchen, and barbecue area. We didn't talk about the barbecue area. Let me talk about that. So this is my barbecue area floor. My big boy, I have not used it yet. I did put a lock on it, and that's just for security. Of course, you know, I was waiting for my mat. The mat did come. It is on it. I have not seasoned it, and I have not cooked on it yet. So we will be doing some delicious, healthy recipes right here on this black stove. And it's easy because I can cook it here, show you my results there. So my last area is right here where I made a little garden. I don't know what you would call it, a little flower box. It has lights on it, and I put this plant that I got from a yard sale for $2. So I put that in there, and yeah, that is what's in that planter box. So guys, this is all my creation that your girl did all by herself. Ladies, do not be afraid of power tools. It's a tool, okay? So I use power tools. I got the job done. I absolutely love my outcome, guys. And now, the next one, we will be decorating this and cooking a yummy meal. So guys, thank you so much for coming into my home, to the VeeHive, and seeing what I did for $170. You can do it too. So if you have not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. We still have the 10 by 10 slab to do. I'm going to show you guys everything on this side uncovered. We still have some things that I got from Amazon that I need to do with the patio area. So if you have not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, because this is not the end. See y'all guys in the next one. Bye.
Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. fast and you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you do what you want. What you want. What you want. What you want.